Unit 11. Welcome, folks. We are plugging away, getting closer to the end of the term. This particular unit focuses on creating touch points within your textbook. The phase we'll be covering is creating touch points. So make sure that you're familiar with that aspect within your branding, designing brand identity in your book. The Wire, let go of your logo and 6 important touch points for online marketing. Some important resources I think that support what we're focused on. I have some study questions for this unit, as well as a unique forum that I want you to focus on that kind of focuses back on some of these different resources that I provided you. I obviously want to know your perspective and see how you can discuss it with your classmates. So any questions for this unit, let me know. Keep up the good work and let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to seeing what your perspective for this week and creating the touch points, because obviously it focuses heavily on design and that is my expertise. So I will see you in the next virtual video.